All right, Thomas. So just going to finish off the Stain song there for you. So we've got the main riff already, so just a quick going over that one, right? So you've got, now keep in mind that the original one of these was done on a 5-string, so we kind of have to change things up a little bit. Certain notes we're going to be doing up an octave from the original because we just can't hit them with a 4-string. All right, so coming in here, we've got hammer on from E to F sharp. Now the first of every two ends with, so the open to F sharp and then the B to C sharp on the A string. All right, then the next one, and then you just hammer on, hit the G there, kind of a flat second, and do a pull off. So first, okay, so then the chorus, we're starting off here on the F sharp. So there's our first move there. Bum ba da bum ba dum. So we're hitting the 5th and coming right down to the first again, the F sharp. Now, the original one goes down an octave here, but this is the lowest D note we can get on this one, so we'll just hit this one. So then we've got, and again, we've got these two notes here, this A note, and then the original goes down to the lower end A note. Can't reach that, so we'll just come back to the open A string. So far what we've got is, so you got 1, 2, 3, E, dum, ba, and then again these same notes, C sharp and A, and then back down. So here it is. Okay, and then, so when you come out of that, so you'd be going to the open E to the hammer on to continue the riff the next time. Okay, so then later on we've got that quiet bit, very simple. You've just got bum, 2, 3, 4, bum, 2, 3, 4, bum, 2, 3, 4, bum, 2, 3, 4, right? So it's just the F sharp note that they're hitting. And then we've got, okay, so let me just have a quick running over this here. And so yeah, we've got the, so da da da. So we have 2 hammer-ons. Okay, so let's have a quick listen here. Yeah, so we're starting off. Okay, so we have first one, bum ba dum ba dum ba da dum ba. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, bum ba. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the last of that happens 4 times. On the last one, you kind of leave the string open, so then you can come back strong then into the chorus. So sorry. There. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So let me know if you have any questions on that, and see if you can put it all together. Right, I'll talk to you next time.